Hello friends, this is Rajendra Prasad, your chip level engineer. Welcome to my channel SVAT Creations. Today I'm going to tell you all new topic in computer tricks and tips. How to fix Windows 10 100% usage in Task Manager. This can cause your computer slow down and unresponsive. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix 100% disk usage issue in Task Manager. Let's get begin. See here, I'm showing you the disk usage error in Task Manager. For this disk usage error, I'm giving the simple solution to fix. Follow the steps. Open command prompt as administrator shown in the video. Then type the following command. Then it will open now. Then type the following command net.exe stop sysmain and wait for seconds. See here you displayed one message like the sysmain service was completed successfully. Then you can check the disk usage in Task Manager will become 0% and your computer will run smooth and fast as you expect. Thank you all. Your Rajendra Prasad. Please share and like and subscribe.